Hello, everyone. Today we're going to be discussing the structure of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are substances made up of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen in a 1 to 2 to 1 ratio. They can be divided into two categories: simple and complex carbohydrates. Simple carbohydrates include monosaccharides and disaccharides. Complex carbohydrates are made up of oligosaccharides and polysaccharides. Simple and complex carbohydrates differ in the amount of sugar units that they are made up of. Monosaccharides are the simplest form of carbohydrates, and they're made up of 3 to 7 carbon atoms that can't be reduced into smaller units. Glucose is the most abundant monosaccharide. Other monosaccharides include fructose and galactose. Fructose is the form of sugar found in fruits, and galactose is the sugar found in milk. As you can see on the slide, those are the structures of fructose, glucose, and galactose. Disaccharides are two monosaccharides joined together by a covalent bond, and it includes sucrose, maltose, and lactose. Sucrose is known as table sugar, while lactose is only found naturally in milk products. The final disaccharide, maltose, is found in beer and other malt beverages. As you can see, maltose is made up of two glucose molecules, sucrose is made up of glucose and fructose, and lactose is made up of galactose and glucose. Within complex carbohydrates are oligosaccharides and polysaccharides. Oligosaccharides contain 3 to 10 sugar units and include raffinose, stachylose, and verbascose. These are significant substances found in beans, peas, bran, and other whole grains because they are indigestible by humans but are digested by the beneficial bacteria in our gut, supporting gut health. An example of polysaccharides is raffinose, as you can see, and it's made up of galactose, glucose, and fructose molecules. Polysaccharides are the largest of the group with at least 10 sugar units and up to tens of thousands of sugar units. The most abundant polysaccharide in the human body is glycogen, and its main function is energy storage in the form of many glucose monomers linked together. Glycogen is highly branched and is stored in the liver and muscle. This is what provides energy when we haven't eaten food in a while. The most abundant polysaccharide in nature is cellulose, which is mainly found in plant cells. The human body isn't able to digest cellulose due to a lack of the enzyme required to break it down. Starches are another group of polysaccharide known for being a common digestible plant polysaccharide. Some common sources of starches are potatoes, bread, and other grains. As you can see, these are the structures of cellulose, starch, and glycogen. Overall, carbohydrates come in varying forms and sizes, from monosaccharides to polysaccharides, and provide many essential functions in our body. They are a major fuel source for our body as well as specific organs like the brain, kidney, and heart, and they're overall essential to our survival. Just to recap, carbohydrates are made up of simple and complex carbohydrates. Simple carbohydrates can be broken down further into monosaccharides and disaccharides, and then you can see how they further break down below. And then complex carbohydrates are broken into oligosaccharides and polysaccharides. Thank you, guys.